This is the Genesis Electrified GV70. Available on select electrified GV70 models, Genesis Digital Key allows your vehicle to be unlocked, locked, and driven with a compatible smartphone. Genesis Digital Key is compatible with most near-field communication or NFC-enabled Android devices. Start by searching for Genesis Digital Key in the Google Play Store and download the app. Next, register on mygenesis.com and enroll into digital key services on the My Vehicles tab. It is also suggested to enroll in Genesis Connected Services before using this convenient feature. To use Genesis Digital Key, make sure that Bluetooth and the NFC feature are both enabled on your phone and that it has already been registered to your vehicle. To register your device with the vehicle, first ensure the smart key fob is inside the vehicle, and then press the Start/Stop button to turn the vehicle on. Log in to the Digital Key app and activate the registration screen on your mobile phone. Then on your vehicle, press Setup, Vehicle, Digital Key, and then ensure that Enable Digital Keys box is checked. Place your smartphone on the wireless charging pad and then press Smartphone Key, and then Save. You should see a confirmation message if done correctly. By using Digital Key, drivers can lock and unlock the front doors by simply touching their smartphone to the door handle for 2 seconds. To start the vehicle, you must place the registered smartphone device on the wireless phone charger. Hold down the brake pedal and press the Start/Stop button. The Digital Key mobile app can also function as a remote control with your Genesis vehicle. If within connection range of the vehicle, various functions such as door lock, unlock, or remote start and trunk operation will be available through the app. Approach the vehicle with the Digital Key app open and press Connect on the app screen when in range. Press the icons to remotely control the vehicle. Note that the connection will automatically disconnect if the Digital Key app is not used for more than 5 minutes. For more information on your Genesis, be sure to explore the how-to guides on the Genesis USA YouTube channel, as well as consult mygenesis.com and your owner's manual.